Energy, drive, support, and sustaining vital sectors in Indonesia requires an integrated and dynamic system. Oil and gas sector has an important role in the energy producing as an economic development locomotive to level up national industry. With the new spirit of Pertamina Patraniaga new system, PT SHA Solo applying professionalism, discipline, and transparency to customers. As Pertamina's official oil agent, PT Sumber Hidup Agung will continue to increase its commitment to serve and provide the best service for business partners in Indonesia. PT SHA Solo is committed to supply and distribute non-subsidized industrial fuel throughout Indonesia. Supported by high-quality sea and land fleets and Pertamina safety approval standards, make PT SHA Solo as a reliable, trusted, and leading fuel company in oil distribution services for all business partners. Since 2015, PT SHA Solo has transformed into a professional company that has succeeded in building an integrated fuel distribution system. With a strong infrastructure and disciplined management, PT SHA Solo received international accreditation standards ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 competency in 2020, and have the best security systems and equipment. Starting from Central Java, now PT SHA Solo has succeeded in serving the needs of industrial fuel throughout Indonesia, supported by tank trucks with a capacity of 5,000 to 40,000 liters, and even able to reach remote areas, and tankers to serve bunker filling with a capacity of 500 to 3,000 kiloliters.
Kami utamakan pelayanan terbaik bagi pelanggan, zero accident, zero complaint, and we deliver on time. Bravo, SHA!
Kami, SHA Solo, berusaha untuk menjadi yang terdepan dalam hal pelayanan, yang terdepan dalam hal inovasi-inovasi terhadap suplai BBM di seluruh negeri ini. Kami berusaha untuk terdepan dalam hal leading terhadap teknologi-teknologi yang mendukung suplai BBM. Sebagai mitra Pertamina Patraniaga, kita berusaha untuk menjadi yang terbaik dalam hal pembangunan infrastruktur. Dan ingat motto kami, we deliver on time.
Kami mengedepankan sifat nasionalisme yang mengutamakan penjualan produk dalam negeri serta mempekerjakan tenaga kerja lokal yang profesional. Dalam bisnis, kami selalu menghindari konflik kepentingan dan menjunjung tinggi etika, serta senantiasa melakukan perbaikan yang berkelanjutan agar kami siap menghadapi kondisi bisnis yang selalu dinamis.
Kami hadir selaras dengan sektor pembangunan dan industri, bersinergi dalam menjalankan perusahaan dengan disiplin dan profesional.
PT SHA Solo has been trusted by more than 500 business partners throughout Indonesia as a Pertamina's industrial oil agent. Several awards have been won in sales and distribution business scope for industrial fuels. PT SHA Solo has a subsidiary, PT Solo Translogistic, that focuses on delivering fuel from ship to ship and tanker rental for domestic needs. ability to cope with changes ensure the company's existence in the competitive world. PT SHA Solo will always adapt with the dynamic changes consistent to be sustainable in business.